To be honest, we all want to log off the wins we've had professionally, stuff that actually helps in job searches, salary raises, or just moving ahead in our careers. But most of us fail at tracking it all. Even at our company regular syncs, our CEO keeps on reminding us to track performance, and I've tried Google Sheets, Notion, even Slack canvases, but I keep bouncing from one tool to another. Then I saw Kedasha's post that she's building a professional achievement tracker app, and turns out she goes through the same thing as well, and that actually hit me and I got super excited. So in episode 9 of the AI developer series by Langbase, let's see if I can wipe code and agent for it with a UI using Command.new. First thing first, head over to Command.new, and in the input box I'm giving this prompt. To build an AI agent to help me track my professional achievements, I want to log things like what I did, when I did it, the team or collaborators involved, what impact it had, the company goals or North Star it contributed to, any testimonials, link or media. The agent should let me add new achievements easily via form or chat, summarize each entry automatically, be searchable by time, team, or even impact, generate performance review summaries from my entries, and make it look clean, minimal, and focused like a personal tracker, create memory to store my achievements and retrieval to search through them, and use a simple web interface to interact. That's a single prompt that I'm going to give Command, and then I'm going to send this request. This will take a few minutes and Command will create this performance tracking agent. Now Command will build an AI agent to help you track and manage your professional achievements. This will include memory storage for your achievements and intelligent retrieval capabilities. You can see that with a single prompt, Command will create files with the code for the agent and even the agent app. The best part about Command is that all the files are editable. You can change the code, even change the LLM model of your choice. And similarly, if there are any errors, you can ask Command to fix it, and that's awesome. To view the agent app, we need to deploy it first. So let's do that with our LLM API key. As we're waiting for it to deploy, let's see what else we have. We have this agent flow diagram that shows exactly what is happening behind the scenes. Also, you will be able to see detailed traces of all the runs of your agent here in the Traces tab. Then right next to it, we have this memory tab where you can upload files, documents that the agent might need, and it can create on its own as well. Any files you will add will be automatically indexed and made available to the agent. And lastly, we have the agent README that gives us an explanation of what exactly this agent is doing. And that's incredible. The deployment is done. Let's check out our agent app it created. This is super cool. I'm getting my personalized achievement tracker agent with a UI. I'm getting a chat mode, even a form where I can add my personal wins or achievements. Then I can even search specific achievements by keywords, dates, or topics. And then lastly, we have a separate tab where I can get a performance summary. That's really great. Let's add a personal win in the chat interface that I created a course for Scrimba in March 2025 on vibe coding with Cursor AI with like 10,000 learners, and it was a success. Let me send this message. And I got an indication that my achievement has been logged. If I try to add another achievement in this form template, let's say course instructor, let me add a date, and I'm getting this calendar, and that's so incredible that I can even change the date. Description, created a course on GitHub Copilot for Scrimba, adding the team members and the impact 15,000 learners. Let's try to add this achievement, and the achievement has been added successfully. Now it's time to search specific achievements. Let's say I am typing Scrimba, and let's see if I'm getting the 2 achievements that I added. And there we have it. This is super cool because I'm getting a log of the courses created for Scrimba in 2025 by just typing a keyword. I can even add a date or a topic and it will search it for me. Let's check the last tab, which is the summary tab, and I'm going to click this generate performance summary, and this AI agent on its own gave me my performance review summary of the work I added, and that's super incredible. I absolutely love it. The design is great, and I didn't even spend lots of hours to build this app. Now, another cool feature about Command is that I can use this app as is, or I can even use the API and integrate it in my own project. That's all for now, folks. Can't wait to see what you all wipe code with Command.new by Langbase. Tag me with all the awesome projects you ship. See you in the next episode.